All right, adding a lot of integers. Okay. Okay, so we have lots of integers here. How would I do this problem? Or how would you tackle this problem? Olivia, what would you do?
Add all the numbers that are the same and then add them.
Yeah, so I would add the ones that are the same signs. So which two numbers would I add first? 42 and what? 17? 78. All right, what's that? 120? Then I would add what?
55 and 37.
Well, technically, I don't see a 55.
Negative 55.
Negative 55 and negative 37 equals what? 90 what? 92. So I added my two negatives. I added my two positives. Now, what do I do with these two numbers? Add them. Well, in quotation marks, right?
Can I start chopping?
So what do we get? Because y'all were working. 28? 28? More positives and more negatives? More positives, right? Cool. We're good? Okay, let me give you a nice, most difficult problem I can think of.
Oh, you're very nice.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, that's right. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Oh, you're so smart.
I'm so mean and evil. Look at me. Yeah, that's right. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. How would you do that? All right, I have an answer, but I don't know if I'm right. number is a
8?
yes,
And then a 7.
and then a 7.
And then a 1.
No,
A point.
a point,
And then a 1.
and then a 1.
Oh, I definitely got That was right. He was right.
It was all of us.
Oh.
All right,
Yeah, no.
Eli, why are we holding up the iPad? This is crazy. All right, here it is. So I added the 2 negatives, then the 2 negatives, then I added the 2 positives, and then I subtracted. Notice which number I put on top when you subtract. Put the one that has more on top, not the bigger one or the smaller one. It's whatever you have more of on the top. So this one's 600. Obviously, that one goes on top. Okay. Okay. You ready? Are you ready? You're not ready.
We're not ready.
You're not ready. You're not ready. I'm not ready.
My head hurts.
Okay. Me too.
My neck.
My neck.
Here for your viewing pleasures.
Oh my goodness, I'm not doing this.
Miss,
Why did you give me that?
what is this?
She's taking out all the rage on this guy.
Mm-hmm.
Are you rage baiting?
Mm-hmm.
Miss, you're gonna finish all your pages while I'm on.
Oh my gosh. You put 6, 7.
Yeah. To make it uncool, so you stop. I mean, not
What
you
about
guys.
41?
Stop saying it.
Wait, why did she already put 21?
No, no, no.
I'm not doing this.
Okay, so. Interesting. So there you go. A true honor 7th grade question. Here it is. Okay, what do you do first? What do you want to do first?
Making some
Okay. Add what?
Add
the same sign.
Add the same sign. So what would I do? Which 2?
Add the
The last 2.
Yeah. So I would add these 2 because they're both negatives, right? So what's our common denominator between 5 and 7? 35.
But why are the denominators regular? Like they're not negative.
So you will either see the negative like right next to the line, or you'll see it on top. I usually put it on top.
Oh, so that means that
They're negative, yeah. It's only one of the numbers is negative. If you have 2 negatives, then they would cancel each other out. Negative, negative. Ooh, ugh.
Why did you do that?
Because I'm looking at the problem I just gave you. Well, that was not so bad. Oh, okay. Finish up. Give me time.
My head.
So what's the common denominator between 2 and 35? 70. Yes, 70. Common denominator is 70. Your answer positive or negative? Oh, we're not there yet. Positive. right. So is your answer going to be a positive or a negative? Positive. All right. All right.
What's the
Mixed number or not?
Oh my.
No mixed number. No mixed number. What's the denominator? 70. Okay, okay. Is there a 9 involved?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, just say it.
Is there a 4 involved?
No.
Is there a 5 involved?
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
Oh my god, no.
That's what I got.
Woo, we did it.
Oh, we're so smart. My head actually hurts a lot. I don't know why.
Drink water.
All right.
I've been doing.
Shoot else. What else? Let's see. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Oh, I'm scared now. Why did you make that noise? 345. Oh. That's wild. Now she's gonna make us cook. Now we're cooked because y'all said that.
Ooh, yeah. How about that? How about that?
We can't even see the rest.
Negative 1/4 plus 0.85 plus negative 1 1/2 plus 2.1.
I'm not doing this. You can do it. I'm not. You lost me at the comma before negative 1/4.
So what would you do? What would you do? How would you handle this problem?
I see it.
What would you guys do? So you have decimals and you have fractions. So what does that tell you to do?
Change
Change
it.
it.
Change it to
A decimal.
decimals.
Oh.
Yeah, change it to decimals. And I gave you fractions that are pretty easy to change to decimals on purpose. I didn't give you a 2/9. That would just be terrible. If you change it to a decimal, it would still be a negative number. The negative does not magically disappear. So what's a decimal of negative 1/4?
25.25.
Negative 0.25. What is the decimal of negative 1 1/2?
Negative.
1.50.
So negative, so you keep the negative, 1.50 or 1.5, yep, plus 2.1. So now they're all decimals. So now let's tackle them that way. Line up your decimals. That's why we spent so many days on do nows with lining up decimals. Oh, this is actually pretty easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Positive or negative?
Positive.
Good.
Who said negative? Yes. About that.
Oh yeah, I'm too smart for this class.
Yeah, 5 minutes ago you're like, I don't want to do this.
Yeah, because my head hurts.
But math, you know, alleviates everything.
Math gave me the headache. I didn't walk in here with a headache.
Let's see. What would be a good one?
5 plus 5.
Yeah, 5 plus 5.
Fine.
No, now you're making it complicated.
This is not 5.
You said 5 plus 5. I gave you 5 plus 5. You never said.
That's 5.9.
No, you
That's-
never said specified. I don't know.
0.9 more than
Fine, another 5.
But there's not 2 5s.
There you go.
No.
You wanted 5. There's the 5.
There's 2/5 added to that 5. Oh, my head.
So when you have decimals and you have fractions, turn the fraction into a decimal. So what would 5 2/5 be as a decimal? Yep. I'm using fractions that you should know how to convert very easily.
Why do we always have math as our first period?
Good, get it over with. Your brain's fresh. Not tired from the day.
Is it gonna be like
But it
this?
kinda
It's
is.
tired from
Zero period.
waking up.
Well, there's no spider lab 8th grade teachers, so it's all mixed. Alright.
Wait, I'm none of these are negatives, and then I look over and there's a
Whoopsie. 8, 2, 6. Positive or negative?
what do you do?
Positive.
I'm not even done
Wait,
yet.
what do you mean there's no 8th grade?
Like if you continue at Spider Lab in 8th grade, there's no 8th grade math. It's only science and English that are like combo. So you go from 3 hours in the lab to just 2 hours in the lab.
Why?
I don't like that.
What are we gonna do? Because there's no 8th grade teachers.
Like that way.
No one said anything.
Really? You're not the math teacher, Kelly?
Mm-mm.
Who is it?
No one. So,
What's the regular teacher? Like, do they all get assigned to the same class?
no. Well, like some of you next year may or may not be in a math honors class.
Oh. I'm not gonna be in Spider Lab next year. I'm
And some of you won't continue on
Yeah,
the
it's not
journey.
the dedication right there.
No, it's because I didn't even want to do Spider Lab. No offense.
Oh, get her out, get her out.
It's because I wanted to do band.
In Francis.
I couldn't because of Spanish. What have chicos, bro?
Alright, 6.28. 6.28.
I got that.
Totally.
Look!
Yep. Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, the worksheet. Actually, should I give you the hard one?
No.
No, give us the like.
My head hurts. Be nice, please.
Oh, I got that.
My head.
Your head's throbbing?
Yeah, I got that one. Just the front side?
No, front and back.
I'm hurting myself.
No, don't hurt yourself.
This is 1,000 times easier than we did together. There's no fractions or decimals on this one.
Praise the Lord.
So your headache shall disappear in 2 seconds.
It's actually not. I think it's sinus pressure.
Oh, that's me.
Why are these all -7?
Number one's not -7. So in this paper, right? Add the 2 negatives together. That's what I did in red. Then add the 2 positives. That's what I did in blue. So positives would be 6, negatives would be -19, and then at the end, combine those two by subtracting because the signs are different. If the signs are different, you subtract. If the signs are the same, you add. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
This is not a smart foldable. Because why is there like a middle, like white tuna? Like, either way you fold it,
Yes.
they're white.
Because I wanted to see what student would complain and notice. All right, here we go. Everyone's favorite song. Use a song to remember the pattern. Let's see. Blank, sign, blank, and keep. What do you think goes?
Same sign.
Good job. Same sign, add and keep. Then
Different sign, subtract.
different sign, subtract, and keep the
I don't remember.
of the sign with more. Then you'll be
Exact.
exact. Same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract. I should be in choir. I should be in choir.
Okay. No.
Keep the sign
Yeah.
of the one with more. Then you'll be exact. Woo!
That's.
Watch out. Taylor Swift. Here I come.
It's giving Carter. Not in a mean
All right.
way.
Not in a mean way. Alright, let's do these examples.
No, because Carter sings as loud as he possibly can, and then he has voice cracks.
Wow. Alright, let's do the examples in the box. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 examples. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yep. Alright. Are we done with all those?
It's really on the board, girl.
All right. So, a little bit of glue on the back. We're gonna go in order. We've only officially done addition rules.
What did you just do?
Zoomed out. This is my zoom in and zoom out. Scarlett, are we okay?
I'm about to crush out this headache. You got to be forward.
Keep drinking that water.
Why does everyone sixth grade? What does everyone say?
Because Noah's so loud.
Like water is the solution to everything. I said headache. Migraines are like. Why are we touching each other? Why are we hurting each other? Why do y'all say it like that?
The next page.
Why does this look like fake glue?
Jono say.
I wasn't talking to Noah.
All right.
Make sure it's really in there.
let's make sure we return the glue sticks as they were given out to you.
No, wait.
Not with the missing cap. Alright. So, homework. We did make copies this morning, the homework, and I didn't like it. So, I found this worksheet that I kind of like. So, don't complain until you see it. Don't complain until you see it. Alright.
Oh, there's no back. So you have two.
Okay, I'm going to ask you to actually... Okay, are we recording? Yes, so this is being recorded. Listen, this is going to be your homework, very unusual, but I didn't love the homework for today, even though we had copies. You're going to do all of them. Now, what I care about is the answer next to each problem. So the answer for number 1 would be -6. Now, I'm actually going to have you do the puzzle. So -6 would be the letter A. So box A, the letter is A, right? But I want to see the answers next to it.
Wait,
So,
it has to be. Wait, so where's
Num-
the negative?
so up here, it's -6.
It's just one.
And then this is just in order. So number 2, the answer is 14. What letter is 14? N. So box number 2 is an N. But notice that I'm writing my answers next to each problem. Okay? Yes, it is.
Bro, stop putting.